What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and it's time for Talking Tech Tuesday. And have you heard about this merger? T-Mobile and Sprint, 26 billion smacks. That's right, shout out to my Project 13, 26 billion smacks. Imagine that, that's a lot of money. Looks like T-Mobile is gonna buy Sprint. They're gonna keep the T-Mobile name. It's gonna be run by John Legere, the CEO of T-Mobile. What does this mean for Sprint and T-Mobile customers? A little too soon to know. Also, we have to wait for all this to come together, this merger to be approved by everybody, FCC, everybody. So this looks like a good thing. I think it's gonna bring more phones to the network, and I'm looking forward to that 5G that they're working on and promising everybody. So that should be awesome. Also, the S9 and S9 Pluses. Today you can pre-order your 128 gigabyte or your 256 gigabyte versions of the S9, S9 Plus. It's gonna cost a little more, $50 a leap each storage option. So if you want the 128, it'll be $50 more than the 64. If you want the 256, it'll be $50 more than the 64. And also it looks like they'll be delivering these around May 18th. So if you're looking for that, if you have the 64, you have the SD card slot. So I'm not really sure if it's necessary for you guys to get it. But if you don't have the S9 or S9 Plus, it could be an option to allow you to buy this device and enjoy some more storage on your device. Also, the Note 9, two variants of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 have received certification in China. What does this mean? It looks like this could drop late July or even August. And also, will it have an in-display fingerprint reader? That would be awesome. It looks like it's gonna have this S9 Plus cameras. So that great news for Note fans. Also, the HTC U12 Plus leaks. Have you seen the latest? It's got that glass design. It's gonna have that rear camera. It's gonna have the front-facing camera, and also gonna have the big boy specs. This looks like a checklist phone because it has everything. Also, Huawei is reportedly working on a backup OS if they lose Android. Not sure if this is true. Apparently they've been working on it since 2012 to have an operating system ready to go, have their own operating system. Huawei has denied that they have an operating system or they're working on one. So who knows, with the government sanctions and the blacklisting by the United States, ZTE also may have to go to a backup operating system. So only time will tell. Can you say Windows Phone? That's all I gotta say. Man, that'll do it for Talking Tech Tuesday for this week. Let me know if you're interested in this T-Mobile Sprint merger. Also the S9, S9 Plus storage option, 128 or 256 if you're excited about that. Also that Note 9, I know I'm gonna get that. That looks like it's gonna be a really nice device. I enjoy the Note phones. And the U12 Plus leaks, let me know. That phone looks hot, looks like it could be dropping in May, so look out for that. And also Huawei and ZTE with these backup operating systems. Will they work? Not sure. Android took a long time to mature, almost 6 to 7 years for it to be at the place that it's at now. So think about that. Listen, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, follow me on Twitter, AndroidStud, also Instagram, Facebook, and Google+, man. I'll check you guys later. Peace.